Hello students, as in the last video we have discussed about our digestive system. Let's move on to our circulatory system. Here in this picture you can see our circulatory system is shown. See, in this system the heart, blood and the blood vessels together form the circulatory system of our body. If we talk about our heart function, so our heart pumps blood which is carried through the blood vessels to all the organs of the body. Our heart pumps and it makes a sound like lub dub. You can hear your heartbeat. You may observe that sound is lub dub lub dub. Okay. So the blood supplies digested food. See, in the in our digestive system, the small intestine, which is having microvilli, the small finger-like projections, they are separating the liquid and the solid part. So the liquid part is mixes with the blood, and this blood supplies digested food, of course, and oxygen to all parts of the body. So in short, the heart, blood vessels and blood together form our circulatory system. Here one question is given: why do we breathe faster while running? You have to find out this answer and mention your answer in the Google Classroom. Okay. Next system is our respiratory system. Respiratory system means breathe in and breathe out. The system that helps us in breathing, that is called the respiratory system, and this system consists of our nose, windpipe and lungs. So they all together form our respiratory system. Here, as you can see, the nose is shown. With these two nostrils we are taking fresh oxygen, and this oxygen supplies to this windpipe through this windpipe to our lungs. Here the lungs are the lungs. So here the fresh oxygen is supplied. Then the oxygen, actually we are taking air. When we are breathing, we are taking air. So our lungs, they are working as a filter. They are separating oxygen from the air, and that is taken in by the blood, while the carbon dioxide is sent out through our nose. We are taking oxygen when we are breathing, and we are releasing carbon dioxide when we breathing out. So our lungs are expanding and contracting as we inhale or exhale. They are called the air filters of our body. So here one question is arise: what are called our air filters, or what are the air filters in human body? So our lungs are the air filters. Okay. So we will discuss nervous system in the next video. Till then, just revise your all the 4 system we have discussed already. Thank you.